everybody, it is Sunday morning, 10:30 a.m. So it's a Labor Day weekend, and yesterday I was pretty much a vegetable. I did all my meal prep yesterday, my food shopping, my post office errands. What am I doing today? Well, at 3 this afternoon, we're going to a barbecue at a friend's house, and I have a small Macy's, I wouldn't even call it a haul, 2 items to share with you. And one of them I think I'm going to be returning. And the other one I have to try on, make sure it works. So I will do a video for you on that and then run to do my return. And other than that, maybe I might hit loft today. I'll see how I'm doing. You know, like I said, I don't have to be at our friend's house until 3 in the afternoon. So what am I wearing today and why? Well, besides it being a barbecue, it's gloomy, hot, and humid out there. Probably like in the low 80s, but it's just damp and rainy and bleh. It's not a nice weekend. It's supposed to clear up in the afternoon, so hopefully we can hang out by her pool and barbecue. But what am I wearing? And if I look a little bit chubbier than I normally do, and I'm actually sucking it in now, and I don't have to suck it in hard because my muscles are spasming from all the ab exercises I've done at the gym. Basically, I gained a lot of weight on vacation, and I'm really trying to be very conscious of what I'm eating and putting in my mouth to try and get back to where I was. So I am wearing this dress that I think it's by Splendid that I got from Evereve probably in 2020. I really like this dress. I haven't worn it yet this summer. It's a little short on me, but I think it's short on me because my extra weight is pulling it up. It's not usually this short on me. And with it, I have paired my Sam Edelman slides. But like I said, we're just going to be hanging out at my friend's house in her backyard. There's 3 couples that we all hang out together. Oh, there are actually 4 couples that hang out together all the time. So yeah, this is my outfit for today for this barbecue. And last week I posted, if you have any questions to ask me, drop them in the comments below. In case I don't get enough questions, then I might do this like in a 2-part series and try and answer all your questions. Like I know there were some concerns about my lifestyle. I actually am quite boring and don't do much other than what I tell you. So that's where my money tends to go, is the clothes, and that's basically it. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everybody, today is Monday, Labor Day. Yesterday we spent the day at a barbecue with the friends, sweat my rear end off out there. It wasn't that hot in terms of the temperature, but the humidity was oppressive yesterday. I'm hoping that it cooled off a little bit today in terms of the humidity because I am wearing a sweater from Loft that I got last year. It's a sweater vest. It's 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, so not really great as far as being breathable. Not horrific, but not great in the hot heat and humidity. And I have not been outside yet. It is 10:30 in the morning. With it, I have paired this very old Loft skirt, circa 2018, and I have on my, Steve Madden mules from, I think 2 or 3 years ago, Nordstrom anniversary sale. And this is my outfit for today. What am I doing today? Well, I think I'm just going to go shopping locally, hit maybe TJ Maxx and Loft, and there's a little boutique in one of the shopping centers I might want to check out. And I was going to let you know I'm wearing my little Stitch Fix purse that I didn't get this past Stitch Fix, the one before that when I was getting quick turnarounds, and I should be getting another Stitch Fix this weekend too. You know, if they don't accommodate me and what I want, I mean, they're showing it to me on Freestyle. So I know that they have it somewhere, and it's not just one item I'm asking for. I got a ton. If they're not going to accommodate me in the things I'm asking, you know, to send, then I'm probably going to hold off for a good month or so because it's almost like you getting a chore. You get it and you're like disappointed, right? But I like this purse. It's adorable, but it's not very functional. It's very hard to get your stuff in and out of this section here because of the strap and the small opening. So it fits everything fine, but getting stuff in and out is not that easy. So I'm wearing this now for probably the month of September, but then I'll probably put it away and transfer to a different purse. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday and I'm back to work today. It is now almost 10 to 8 and I gotta get on the computer. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing this loft vest from last year. It is a navy blue. I don't know if you could see that, and the camera's picking it up, with white stripe. And underneath I also have this white t-shirt. It's a t-shirt base, but the sleeves are a poplin cuff. With it I have paired my Cosmic Blue Love Kick Flare jeans. And as you see, I'm wearing my new red Mary Jane flats. I can totally understand if you're not into this trend. I used to wear Mary Jane flats too when I was a kid, but black patent leather to be exact. And yeah, so you kind of associate it with being youthful and childish, but sometimes I feel like being youthful and childish. Sometimes I feel like being a badass. So it's the many personalities I have. And I can totally see you not wanting to do this trend as well too, because I don't think this one is really going to last. It's kind of a fun trend, and I didn't put much money into this. One of my subscribers wrote in the comments that Target has a pair just like this. So I would recommend going to Target and picking them up if you are interested in dabbling in this trend. Make it a cheap thing, because I really don't think this one's gonna last. But again, it's fun, you know. It put a smile to my face. I'm like, all right, they're cute. So I kept them. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday and I'm so happy it's hump day. Went to the gym this morning. We had a benchmark rowing challenge of 2,000 meters and I sucked wind, but that's okay. No way am I gonna meet my benchmarks that I made when I was in my 40s now, and now here I am in my 50s. So it is what it is. What am I wearing today? I am wearing this denim jacket that is vintage. It's from the Loft, and it probably was purchased early 2000s. It is a size too big for me because I might have been overweight, but I was a yo-yoer. So I never got as small as I am now, but I was like 1 or 2 sizes up, and this is 1 size up from my size now. It's also 3/4 length sleeves, so I only have to give them that one little roll cuff here to make them like a half sleeve. And it's a darker wash than my light wash denim, and it's also a lot thicker. So I only wear this I don't think I've worn it in years, to be honest with you. I decided to pull it out and wear it with this. Underneath I have my new Sanctuary vest. I did wear this once already. Love this vest. It's 100% cotton, feels very comfortable and soft. And with it I have paired a Sanctuary skirt in olive green and a pair of Dolce Vita crochet sneakers. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for yet another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is 5 minutes to 8 on Thursday, rest day for me from the gym. I have an 8 o'clock meeting, so I will be brief here. Today I'm wearing this very old vintage Loft sweater, circa 2018, and this sweater is mostly but not 100% cotton. I really like this sweater, but this sweater has seen better days. It's just starting to unravel a little bit here at the neckline. So this will be my last time wearing it, and I already have another one on order from Eve coming my way. So that's my replacement rust sweater. With it, I have paired these Liverpool pants that I got from a Front Door Fashion. I think they're fun. They got the seaming down here. It's a very subtle check, also in this rust and gray color. And I have it paired with my ivory loafers. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is finally Friday. Yeah, it was a tough week for me this week, even though there were only 4 days. I worked overtime pretty much every day. I don't get paid overtime. You're just kind of expected to do your job when you're a salary employee. Yesterday wasn't too bad. I did end the day at 5, but prior to that, I was working until 6, 7 o'clock every night. And when you get on at 8 in the morning and don't take a lunch, it's a long day. Okay, enough of that. What about today? Gym, bunny, nutritionist, had to go food shopping, just grabbed a couple of items. I'll do my full food shopping tomorrow, but I have literally nothing left in the house. Came home, threw a sandwich together, have it in my air fryer because I like my sandwiches toasted. And then after I eat that, I got to jump on the computer, and then I have a doctor appointment. So I can jump on the computer from like 8 to 8:45, and then I got to run out to my doctor. What am I wearing? All right, you see there's no jewelry on yet. Haven't even gotten there. I'm wearing this tan little sweater. I got my Stitch Fix along with the ivory pants. I believe the pants are by Liverpool. I believe the top is an in-house little sweater from Stitch Fix. And with it, I have paired my plaid, who are these by? Franco Sardo, I think. Plaid Franco Sardo heels that I got last year on sale at Nordstrom. And this is my outfit for today for running around like a lunatic, and cannot wait until this day is done. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday. What is going on today and what am I wearing? So I went to the gym, went food shopping, came home, actually stopped off at the dry cleaner. The pants I was wearing split in the seam in the back. Very embarrassing, even went to the doctor that way, had no idea. And they're new. So I went to the dry cleaner, dropped off the pants to get mended. Then I came home, took care of the bunny, had my breakfast. Then I did my peppers, made my husband a quiche, took a shower. Here I am. So I've been nonstop since 6 a.m. this morning. It is now noon. And now I had the time to video for you. So I am wearing, and I'm not going anywhere today. I'm going to be doing more filming. I did my question and answer for you. I uploaded it and it won't upload. It just keeps hanging and hanging. I've tried 3 times, so I'm gonna have to refilm that. So I'm gonna refilm my question and answer. I should be getting some things in the mail that I ordered last week. Plus, I think I'm getting a Stitch Fix today. So I plan to film today. And other than that, not doing anything, hanging out around the house. And I'm still gonna meal prep my chicken for the week as well too. So I am wearing this beige little mock neck sweater. It's by Open Edit that I got during the anniversary sale. I like this a lot. It has ruching here on the side. You guys, if you've been with me for a while, know I love ruching. The pants are an oldie but a goodie. They're by Ever Eve. They're a midnight camo. So these are actually a camel print, but it's very, very dark and very subtle. They're a jogger style, very soft and stretchy. And with it, I have paired one of my Dolce Vita sneakers. And yes, this is my outfit for today from not even working from home, hanging out at home and probably cooking and filming. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's holding you back. Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. Take care, till next time.